Hello everyone, today we have a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 all-wheel drive. It also has an adjustable ride height. And that sounds super smooth. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up, take you for a tour. This has painted alloy wheels and fixed running boards, and it also has a sunroof and tow package. There's your cargo cover right there. And it does have 3 rows, as you see, in black leather. And those headlight surrounds are LEDs. They don't really flicker to the human eye. That's just a refresh rate of the camera that's doing that. All right. Here's a shot of the interior. You see a sunroof there. And I'll go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN as well. And I'll add some stills as well, so you can get a closer up shot of some of these things. If you look over here, here are your driver seat controls and your 3 driver presets. Just come over here, you have your trip computer, your push to talk. You also have paddle shifters. Okay, and I just scrolled through. You see that it has 21,719 miles on this vehicle. I mentioned this does have paddle shifters, your push to talk, and your stereo controls. So you come over here, you have your push button start right here. Then you have your navigation. And coming down here, you have your other stereo controls. And then you also have this that's similar to a mouse. And I see that it's getting a little bit difficult to see on the screen, so I'm going to go ahead and close up this sunroof. Up here you also have your sunglasses holder, your map reading lights. So there's your navigation. Once again, that doesn't flicker to the human eye. That's just a refresh rate of the camera that's doing that for us. We can scroll up here to the radio. And you see that it does have AM, FM, Sirius XM, internet radio, and Bluetooth. We'll go ahead and back out of there. And there you can go to your presets as well. So you can also jump over to media and connect your device, whether it be a USB thumb drive or your phone. Jump back over to navigation or your telephone. You also have a disk drive right here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this down all the way now. You also have heated seats in the front. And parking sensor, automatic start stop. Coming down here, your air conditioner, your max cool, of which we'll go ahead and turn this down so that you can hear me a little bit better. And you also have additional power supplies down here, cup holders. And here is your ride height. Right now we have it set for off-road. If you were gonna park in a garage, you can press that and lower it. And then here is your downhill speed, and then of course you come down here and you have your various driving modes, and here's your mouse as I mentioned before, and then here's just stowage. So up here we got your glove compartment, and to see your backup camera, you'll pop it in reverse. There's your backup camera. See, that does have 360-degree cameras and also parking guides. Okay, and that about wraps it up for this Mercedes on the inside. particular vehicle does have a branded title. There were no impacts. The airbags did not deploy. It had some flood damage, and you can see your sales rep for more information on that. But as I mentioned, there was no structural damage, no airbags deployed, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.